how does your daily job as a BA go? What do you do? Are you in meetings a lot, or are you sitting at your desk writing requirements? Each BA role is different, so I'm trying to get a sense of how your role plays out.
Yeah, when I got into as a BA, the project was still on the requirement gathering phase. So usually on my job, on my first 4 hours usually involved a lot of meetings with the users.
Okay.
Meetings and gathering requirements. Then the rest of the day involved collaborating with the tech team to kind of understand it and kind of interpret what the meeting was. And yeah, it involves a lot of meetings, a lot of requirement gathering. And right now, as we're moving to the first phase of the software build, we're finally working towards developing use cases for the project.
Okay, so you use use case methodology. You write use cases and document the flows. That's the functional requirement method that you use. Is that right? Okay.
That is correct. Activity diagrams and storyboarding are some of the things that we're using on this project.
Okay. And do you get enough help in terms of the support within your team? Is it a large team or a small team? How do you work as a team? How helpful are they as a team?
So my team is we have 8 people in our team. So usually people are really helpful. They're very helpful. They try to explain it to you, and of course you have to kind of show or learn. But if you are presenting something, they usually give you good pointers and how to adjust and what are the changes you can make to make it look a little bit more presentable.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Ujjwal.